Okay, guys, so these are apparently almost 52 years old from 19 Montgomery from 1974. This is my second time visiting this one with my blue phone, and my first time in 2026. As you can see, this store used to be the Broadway from 1974. It became Macy's in 1996. Vintage Montgomery's. This is from the old. This store was once beautiful, but it was partially destroyed. They painted the handrails up there, but they kept at least this right here and in the floor inside. This is a pretty rare, very rare floor tile. Let's go from the old to the next.